The company is a world leader in green, smart energy service provider, founded in 2000. Business covers more than 20 countries. Provide clean energy. In photovoltaic wind power PC, inverters and other fields occupy a global leading position in order to make the storage more standardized and tidy. And they reached out to us. After understanding, it is due to peripheral ancillary products, scattered and disorganized. Our company has customized it for customers. 2 types of pull racks. Resolve existing storage issues. Roll out sheet metal rack. Each layer carries 590 kilograms. Option 2. Each layer carries 670 kilograms. Not only does it solve the stacking problem, maximize the use of space,